This 2023 Keystone Fuzion 373 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Keystone is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Glacier interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, external shower, self-contained, oven, LP detector, smoke detector, TV antenna, Colorado detector, slideout, skylight, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Fuzion 373 is 14,480 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.